Prepare yourself for Copper Gigabit Ethernet with TRENDnet's Cat6 RJ-45 UTP Patch Panels. These patch panels are certified for 250 MHz Category 6, which are perfect for Copper Gigabit Ethernet connections. TRENDnet's 48-port Cat6 patch panels are ideal for Ethernet, Fast Ethernet and Copper Gigabit Ethernet, 1000 base T network applications. Using TRENDnet's Cat6 products now, will prepare you for the high bandwidth network in the future without recabling your network. Meets ANSI, EIA, TIA 568B.2-1 and ISO, IEC 11801 standards. New version 110 DIDC type terminal blocks, use 110 or Krone type tool. Color-coded labeling for T568A and T568B wiring schemes. 180 degrees angle type, horizontal. 1000 base T Copper Gigabit Ethernet ready. Compatible with Cat3, 4, 5, 5E, and 6 cabling. Works perfectly with TCP/DT punch-down tool. Operating temperature: -40 degrees to 80 degrees Celsius, -40 degrees to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. UL E157358 listed. Top reviews from the United States. Great endpoint for 14-drop home network. Bought this as part of a DIY Cat6 home network. Easy to work with and punch down wires. Connection solid as is the panel mounting in wall rack.